Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download fonts from Adobe Fonts. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your laptop, and in the search bar you will have to type fonts.adobe.com. This will land you on the official website of Adobe Fonts. The first thing that you need to do is to simply log in into your account. For that, you need to hover over to the top right hand corner, and instead of this profile icon you are going to see the sign in tab. So you need to tap on that sign in tab, and after providing your email address and your password, you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, on the home page you are going to see a bunch of different fonts that you can add in your project. So among these you will have to select that particular font which you want to add. So let's say I want to add this particular font over here, so I'll simply double click on it. Once you do this, you will be redirected on the next page where you are going to see the font's name and the bunch of different other models relating to that font. So as you can see over here that this is the name of the font and it is available in regular. So you can add the whole font in your project. So in order to add it as a family, you need to click on add family option in the top. But if you want to add a particular section of that font, so let's say I want to add the regular version of Beth Allen font in my project, then you are going to see the add font right next to it. So you will have to click on add font, and then it will show you that your font is added in your Creative Cloud app. So in order to access those fonts, you will have to download and install Creative Cloud application in your device. After that, you will have to click on open the app, and then you will be redirected in your Creative Cloud desktop application. Now over here, in order to access and manage your fonts, you are going to see this a font tab in the top. So you will have to click on font, and as you can see over here that the Beth Allen's regular version is successfully downloaded and installed in my Creative Cloud desktop. Now you can use this font in all of the Adobe applications like Adobe Premiere Pro or Adobe Illustrator, etc. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.